Hi everyone, how are you? We are back. Let's see. Oh, that is not working. Hi Parth, BH Adani. Hi Suraj, hi Deep, hi Pulkit, hi Kanchan, hi Aditya. K Aditya is okay. Hi K Aditya. Hi Pulkit. Okay, hi Tejas, hi Sanjay. हाय संजय जी कैसे हो? ठीक है. हाय नदीम बॉस. हाय सूरज. हाय अक्षय. हाय अक्षय. वैसे द सेक्शन ऑफ पॉलिटिकल डोनेशन वाज 80 GGC. चेन्नई से हेलो. हाय एलेक्स. थॉट्स ऑन साउथ Dakota USA being used as a tax heaven. अच्छा, we'll do that tomorrow, Alex. है ना? That is also a good topic. If you own a company in Dubai but not drawing salary or dividends, then it is taxable in India. I am a resident of India. Dubai but not drawing salary or dividends, then it is taxable in India. नहीं, if you are not drawing salaries or dividends, it won't be taxable because there is no income earned. Hi Z. Hi Ayush. Hi. I am Himgi. Hi. Hello from Jaipur. Hi Pulkit. Hi. Good. Okay. Can you make a video on how gambling companies manage their banking operations in India without getting their accounts frozen? That is impossible to get their to not get their accounts frozen. ठीक है. और उस पर वी आर वर्किंग अबाउट इट. हाय कंचन. ओके, आई विल रिप्लाई टू यू ऑन इन इनबॉक्स. ठीक है. हेलो यमल जोशी. हाय विनय. Hey, I have a doubt. I run a D2C brand, but 18% GST is taken away all the profits. Any loopholes for that, please? Yes, Nawaz. I mean, GST का तो है तो सही, but then it is not recommendable to do. It is always safe, and in long term you should pay GST. But there are things that you can do, but then okay. हॉस्पिटल जैसा स्कैम है गांधीनगर में, फेक कोर्ट का भी हुआ था. अरे इंटरेस्टिंग. प्लीज सेंड मी द केस अक्षय. हाय वकील साहब, कैसे हो आप? हेलो फ्रॉम गोवा. व्हाट इज दिस लाइव फॉर? अरे दिस लाइव इज फॉर वी every at the end of the day we always study little topics about something about the things we don't know that existed in world. ई बुक के लिए यार, ई बुक के लिए ई बुक विल बी लॉन्च ऑन दी ऐप ओनली, तो वहीं से ले लेना फिर. अरे बाप रे, इस देर यार ये वाइट है, इस पर कुछ दिख नहीं रहा यार, क्या है ये? हाँ, फाइनली इनफाइनाइट बैंकिंग वीडियो. सो टुडे वी कैन यू शेयर लूप होल्स ऑफ रीज विन फॉलो देम ऑन लॉन्ग टर्म. ठीक है, विच ऐप? Yeah, we have started. We are almost closing the app. So that app will have a lot of things, ebooks, comics, plus a lot of videos and little games. If it is possible at the phase one. Very interesting. IPL team and other franchisee owners from other countries legal leaks structure पे कुछ बना और also. अरे there are a lot of videos that we have made on how Rajasthan Royals was made. सर 2600 मेरे अकाउंट में डिपॉजिट करें हैं. बेटा आप भेज दो आज 2600. ठीक है. इज मलाया रियली बैंकरप्ट? आई डोंट नो. No, if you are not doing revenue, but then still you have GST, then you'll have to pay GST. Doesn't matter. Loss के लिए बना देना आप. ठीक है. Anyways, let's start with this today's topic. ठीक है, which is inspired by the man who owns Tinder, Bill Gates. Okay, and he once famously said that banking is necessary and banks are not. So along with that, there was a book written in US which is Be Your Own Bank, and that book coined a term which is known as infinite banking. ठीक है, the term seems pretty catchy and eye catching. So, and plus there was this person Varun who was constantly tagging me to make this. तो आज बना दिया मैंने. ठीक है, but really want to understand what I can gain from your recent program. Just be a salesperson. नहीं, have you received the form, banker Aditya? ठीक है, the program is not just about being a salesperson. Okay, it is way more than that. Hi, vanakkam Karthik, how are you? ठीक है, चलो let's start. ठीक है, and plus this yesterday we studied about insurance policies now, so it has a similar concept to insurance policies. How does this banking work? It is a very small topic and a very widely used tool in US. Okay, so what happens is there are two types of insurance policies. Insurance policies के दो प्रकार होते हैं. First is the term that is widely used, okay, and second is the life, पूरी लाइफ के लिए जो चलती है, which is a full life, whole life policy. ठीक है, and then इसके एग्जाम्पल्स क्या हैं? देयर आर टू पॉलिसीज जिसके एग्जाम्पल मैं दे सकता हूँ. LIC होल लाइफ पॉलिसी, ठीक है, और एक और SBI की है, एक क्या नाम, लाइफ शुभ निवेश. ठीक है, what happens in these is, अरे इतने बड़े बड़े मैसेज कहाँ से कैसे? बॉस, whenever you have time then make a video on a small life. Sure, was noted. Hi Aditya, we can take it somewhere else. I mean, if you are interested, you can fill up the form. You're most welcome. Because the form is not the offer, the form is your eligibility check for that offer. अरे रील्स तो डालनी पड़ेगी यार, हमारे एडिटर सारे ठंडे पड़े हुए हैं. ठीक है, हाय डेड सिंस बर्थ, वेलकम. ठीक है, so there are two types of policies, insurance policies, life policy and term policy. So this infinite banking system is wholly based on this policy. ठीक है, life policy. ठीक है, अब now in life policies there are, when the premium is paid, there are almost 3 elements which the premium goes into. कौन सा पेन लिया जाए? ठीक है, प्रीमियम, ठीक है, हाउ डज द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी यूज दैट प्रीमियम? ठीक है, फर्स्ट दे यूज इन इंश्योरेंस ऑन डेथ, आई मीन द एक्चुअल इंश्योरेंस अमाउंट. Second, it is used in the administrative fees to run the operations of the insurance company. And third, the most important, which is the whole concept about, it is used in the cash value slash savings. So in USA it is known as this cash value, and then in India and other parts of the world mostly it is known as savings. So this is the corpus that is created in those insurance policies. Let's say we deposited rupees 5 lakhs. तो 5 में से 3 goes to this, 1 goes to this and 1 goes to this. So this is the amount जो हर साल अपने से लिया जाता है, and that amount is accumulated जिस पे compounding interest मिलता है अपने को approx 4%, and that particular amount can be loaned. Thanks वीर बॉस. ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, ठीक है. This cash component generally is growing at a guaranteed rate of ठीक है. This is just an example, okay. Like there are different rates around the globe with respect to different policies. ठीक है. Okay, Runal, good point. How are you? Long time. ठीक है. तो अब इसमें क्या होता है, सी दिस एग्जैक्ट कंपोनेंट, लेट्स से किसी ने अगर 50 लाख रुपए की इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी ली है और उसका प्रीमियम दे रहा है वो 5 लाख रुपए. ठीक है. एंड दैट 5 लाख रुपए में से 1 लाख एनुअली गोज इनटू दिस स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट, एंड एट द टर्म लेट्स से इसका कॉर्पस इकट्ठा हो गया है. कॉर्पस ऑफ दिस कलेक्टेड इज रुपीज 10 lakhs. ठीक है. सो दी at let's say 5th year, so the insurance policy gives him power to loan this amount. एट अ लोअर इंटरेस्ट रेट देन द मार्केट. ठीक है. और फिर इस लोन जो लोन मतलब ही इज पेइंग दैट मनी फ्रॉम हिज पॉकेट टू द इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज, टू द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी फॉर द इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी, एंड देन ही इज टेकिंग दैट, जितने का भी कॉर्पस इकट्ठा हुआ है 10 लाख रुपए का, तो ही इज टेकिंग दैट लोन फ्रॉम दैट अमाउंट. ठीक है. एंड एट अ लोअर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है. इसका फायदा क्या होता है? कॉर्पस मीनिंग कॉर्पस इज कलेक्टेड फंड. लेट्स से एक पोटली में इकट्ठा हुआ फंड, ओके, या फिर इन अ ट्रंक अ फंड कलेक्टेड आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. अरे भाई और कोई रह रहा है? हाँ, रुनाल का पॉइंट सही था. ठीक है. अरे फिर कमेंट्स में से जाते हैं, कोई बुरा मान जाए तो. ठीक है. चलो एनीवेज, ठीक है. नाउ ये जो लोन लिया है ना इसने, सो दिस इज द पर्सन हु हैज गिवन द अमाउंट टू, मतलब ये ही इज व्हाट ही इज डूइंग इज, ये अमाउंट किसका है जिसपे इसने लोन लिया है? इट इज हिज ओनली अमाउंट. ठीक है. और ओन अमाउंट रीपेड टू सेल्फ. ठीक है. इसके बेनिफिट बाद में पढ़ते हैं, बट देन दी द होल कंसेप्ट इज दिस ओनली, बी योर ओन बैंक. ठीक है, लेट्स से आपने एक इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी ली है. ठीक है, एट एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज एडवांटेजेस क्या हैं, यहाँ लिख देता हूँ मैं. Most of the insurance policies pay dividend, which are the life insurance policy. Second is this exact amount, जितना भी cash value इकट्ठा हो रहा है at the X year amount, and then you want some loan for your use, let's say your education use or your personal car use or any use or home loan use, you can take that amount as loan from the insurance company, ठीक है, at a lower rate of interest. ठीक है, and then that interest is paid to self only. So this is why it is said as be your own bank, and that is why it is known as infinite banking concept. ठीक है, तो what benefits it gives is access to cash easy. ठीक है, along with that this is totally tax free because it is taken as loan. And loans don't have taxes. ठीक है, along with this there is one more concept. Let's say आपने 5वें साल में 10 लाख रुपए निकाल लिया अपनी पॉलिसी से. So ऐसा नहीं होगा that the compounding will keep on going on the original amount, just like the amount was never taken out. So this is known as uninterrupted compounding. ठीक है, जस्ट लाइक दैट अमाउंट वॉज नेवर टेकन आउट, उसी हिसाब से कंपाउंडिंग होती रहेगी ऑन दी 10 lakhs या फिर जितना भी कॉर्पस बना है एट द रेट ऑफ 4% या वट एवर द रेट द बैंक डिसाइड्स फॉर यू. Plus, okay, another benefit that it gives is it is totally under your control. That whatever you want to take out, how much you want to take out, and at what period you want to take out. ठीक है, along with this it has a ठीक है and a policy as well. an insurance policy तो है ही. Why won't we pay and also come back to us? हाँ, the 5% that you pay is given to the insurance company, not to you. Okay, so the insurance company earns on this. But then एक तरह से वो आप ही के अमाउंट, जो अमाउंट आप उनको दे रहे हो उसी अमाउंट से वो आपको लोन दे रही है और फिर उसी अमाउंट को आप रीपे कर रहे हो आप ही को. But then insurance company is taking it. That is why it is known as own amount is given to self and then it is repaid to self only. That is why it is considered as an infinite banking and it is known as be your own bank. So why is US exploiting it? ठीक है, India में it is an okay concept. ठीक है, but then in US what people do is most of the time जैसे 5 लाख का इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम है, 3 goes into this or 3.4 goes into this, 50,000 goes into this and 1 lakh goes into this. In US what happens is there is a concept by the name of paid up additions. ठीक है, उसमें क्या करते हैं ये जो कैश वैल्यू होती है ना, द अमाउंट ऑफ कैश दैट इज पुट इनटू दीज इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज is increased with respect to this insurance policy, increasing the cash component. ठीक है, and their main focus to do this is only to take the loan. ठीक है, and why do they do this is because they have very less trust on the banking channels, plus at the maturity age, ठीक है, they take policies from हर elderly person have a policy there. okay, and those policies are exploited by the young people to take loans, ठीक है, and that is why there is a concept here that paid up additions that which increase the cash component amount so that the young people जिन्होंने older people के नाम से policy ली हुई है या जिन्होंने older people की policy exploit करी हुई है, they can take more loan, as much loan as possible at a lower rate of interest. नमस्कार आशान इजी फॉर जनरेशन. So this is the whole concept. Okay. Hi, hey Karan. हाँ, waterfall method is little different, ठीक है, and this is little different. This concept came into place is because every elderly person has a policy on their own name in the developed countries, ठीक है. You go to US, everyone has their insurance policy, life insurance policy, which is given to them or they have taken it, ठीक है. That is why वो लोग उन्होंने क्या करा, the bankers, what the investors and people did is they brought out the concept of paid up additions where they increased the cash component on those policies और उस policies के नाम पर उन्होंने खूब दबा के लोन उठाया है at a lower rate of interest, ठीक है. और लोन किस लिए उठाया, for working capital और for their daily business needs, and then at a lower rate of interest जब भी उनका काम हो गया they used to repay the loan without any interruption to the actual cash amount, without any interruption, like this amount was never taken, ठीक है. तो इसमें वो क्या करते हैं, they tie up with the elderly people and they give them the percentage and they use this amount because it has all these benefits, plus the elderly को भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है क्योंकि he is not losing the compounding effect on the cash, ठीक है. along with that he is getting that extra income. What is the end of this entire modern banking system? Very interesting question. दीप चौधरी, चलो ठीक है, इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. लेट मी गिव यू समरी अबाउट दिस, ठीक है. तो अपने भाई बिल गेट्स ने बोला है, बिल गेट्स सेड दैट बैंकिंग इज नेसेसरी एंड बैंक्स आर नॉट. दैट इज व्हाई देयर इज अ ह्यूज कॉन्सेप्ट इन यूएस टू बी योर ओन बैंक, BYOB, and it's a book also written about this, be your own bank. That book has coined a concept known as infinite banking. How does it work on? The main thing which it feeds on is insurance policies, which are life insurance policy or LIC whole life or some whole life insurance policy which has cash component into it, ठीक है. जब भी प्रीमियम पे किया जाता है of any insurance policy, there are 3 elements which the premium goes into. Is the actual insurance amount which you will get after your death, admin fees or cash value or savings, which is known as savings is the term used in India and cash value is the term used in US, ठीक है. and this amount is your actual corpus which you can use any day whenever you want to, ठीक है. it grows, मतलब जो इन्फ्लेशन रेट होती है उससे आधा ही रखते हैं ये लोग, द ग्रोथ ऑफ दिस अमाउंट. सो लेट्स से 4% उन्होंने रखी हुई है एनुअल ग्रोथ ऑफ दिस अमाउंट, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो कंपाउंडिंग. So what people do is, this is their actual cash component with the insurance company. What people do is they leverage that amount in terms of loan. वो बोलते हैं that this is our cash component, can you please give us loan in against this? We'll be paying you interest at a lower rate because this cash component is itself increasing at a lower rate, ठीक है. तो वो इससे लोन ले लेते हैं. जो भी वो लोन चुकाते हैं वो खुद ही को लोन चुका रहे हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने खुद के पैसे से ही लोन लिया है, ठीक है. सो इट इज ओन अमाउंट गेटिंग लोन टू देमसेल्व्स एंड देन इट इज रीपेड टू देमसेल्व्स, ठीक है. सो ये जो लूप बनता है, दिस इज एन इनफाइनाइट लूप. दे कीप ऑन फिलिंग द इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज एंड देन दे कीप ऑन टेकिंग लोन्स अगेंस्ट इट एंड देन दे कीप ऑन रीपेइंग इट. तो दिस इज अ लूप, एंडलेस इनफाइनाइट लूप, ठीक है. व्हाट्स द कैच हियर इज the person who is taking the loan, who is using the loan is different The person who has that insurance policy is different. That is why it is a more popular concept in US, because US has everyone insured. And उन्होंने एक concept चालू करा है paid up additions का, where they have increased the cash component. ठीक है, इसके benefits क्या होते हैं? Insurance policy gives you dividend, it is easy access to loan, it is tax free because loan पे कोई tax नहीं लगता है, ठीक है, plus interest भी भर रहे हैं. Compounding uninterrupted होती है because let's say the amount is taken out, it is not considered taken out when they are increasing at this rate. ठीक है, the amount will be considered as never taken out when they are in the compounding effect. ठीक है, कंट्रोल पूरा अपने हाथ में रहता है, लोअर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे लोन मिलता है, एंड पॉलिसी तो है ही, जब मर गया आदमी तो उसके लिए. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द होल समरी. नहीं, दिस इज डिफरेंट देन लोन अगेंस्ट पॉलिसी. ठीक है, दिस इज 100% डिफरेंट देन लोन अगेंस्ट पॉलिसी, क्योंकि it has see, this is the easier concept that I have explained it to you. It has more complicated terms than paid up additions. ठीक है, US has so much intensified this that they have extracted every penny that they can from the insurance and the banking sector. क्योंकि इंश्योरेंस और बैंकिंग के पास में बहुत सारा पैसा फ्री पड़ रहता है, एंड द बिजनेसेस कैन यूज इट एट देयर ओन डिस्पोजेबल विश. दैट इज वाई इसमें देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कंसेप्ट इन दिस लिटिल कॉन्सेप्ट, जिससे मैक्सिमाइज पैसा वो निकाल सकते हैं एंड कम से कम इंटरेस्ट भर सकते हैं उसमें. हाँ, this can be done in India, but then Indians are very skeptical about their insurance policy. ठीक है, तो this is not a widely used concept, but people do it in India for themselves only. ठीक है, yes, Cook Island Trust is sometimes the best, most of the times the best trust for asset protection. How we talk about India and not USA? We have talked about India only. Okay, we are talking in lakhs, never in dollars. Okay, as of today. इंडिया वाले यंगस्टर्स की इच्छा तो बड़ी है एक्सप्लॉइट करने की, बट देन द बैंकिंग नॉर्म्स, स्पेशली द आरबीआई, हैज लॉट ऑफ रेस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन ऑल ऑफ दिस थिंग्स. समरी दे दी है, लेवरेज इंश्योरेंस हो गया, पोस्ट द लाइव टू प्लीज इट, डन मोस्ट ऑफ इट. हाउ कैन आई कन्वर्ट मनी विद एग्रीकल्चर? अरे देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु विल अप्रोच यू शैलेंदर टू कन्वर्ट देयर मनी. बहुत बढ़िया कार्तिक, हाई फाइव फ्रॉम हेयर. ठीक है, चलो, एनी क्वेश्चंस इन दिस? ठीक है, ओके, दिस वाज द स्मॉल कंसेप्ट. देयर वाज दिस ऑफिशियल वरुण. ओके, ही वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली पिंगिंग, please explain about infinite banking. Now what you do, if you want to increase the level of intensity in this concept, go out, check out this book, Be Your Own Bank. ठीक है, and when you'll read it, you'll see that this concept is extremely complicated at every point. ठीक है, I mean they have, उन्होंने एक एक चीज चूस ली है इसकी, that how can they maximize their cash taking from the insurance company and how they pay as less interest as possible with 100% tax free amount. Deep had a very good question, no? What was Deep questions? How to end up this banking? ठीक है, crypto is the way. ठीक है, anyways, good night. See you tomorrow at the same time. Along with that, just like Deep is saying here, and Bill Gates said as well, banking is necessary, banks are not. Okay, I'll be uploading this live as it is on YouTube and Insta as well. So YouTube पे you can forward it and see. Along with that, I'll be uploading all the snippets and cuts जब भी एडिटर हमारे जाग जाएंगे तब, ठीक है. उनके पास में पहले ही बहुत सारा बैकलॉग पड़ा हुआ, बट they'll do this as well. So yeah, good night. See you all tomorrow at the same time. Bye bye. Thanks Anuj boss. ठीक है, जिसको भी ज़्यादा खुजली हो रही हो या फिर उसको ये कंसेप्ट वीक लग रहा हो, डू स्टडी बी योर ओन बैंक. ठीक है, इट इज़ अ वेरी हैविली यूज्ड कॉन्सेप्ट इन यूएस, और इंडियंस हैव, इफ इंडियंस हैव इट दे कैन यूज इट एज वेल.